What did you make?
Broke Cookie.
Where's Cookie Monster? Oh, did you just take his eye off?
Yeah, look, he mixed it up too.
No, I fixed it too.
You're gonna fix it? Put his eye back on there. Put his eye back on.
No. No, good.
Uh-oh. What happened to his eye?
I fixed it too. I fixed it too.
Yeah, you can fix it too? Take one of Elmo's eyes and put it on Cookie.
No.
No, you're gonna leave Elmo's eyes on there? Go ahead, put it on there.
No. That's cute.
Oh! His head.
No, I fixed it too.
You're gonna fix that too?
No. Well, he fall.
It did fall.
Mommy, you fix it.
Oh, we lost his eyeball. We have a rogue eyeball.
They're on the...
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I find it too.
Here.
They're done.
Oh, does Cookie Monster
Whoa.
have tentacles?
No.
Cookie Monster needs help.
Oh!
What happened, Dylan?
Yeah.